So grab your copy of your grammar book, and I've split this into two videos. The first one, I'm going to talk you through your work for this week, and then you're going to have a chance to work through it, and then go on to the second video, because the second video is going to give you your answers. And before I start, I want to let you meet my puppy dog, because I promised you. This is Willow. She's actually very quiet just now because she was out in the back garden and she managed to roll in something incredibly stinky more than once. So she's had a bath. So she's a little mad. And also she is not quite as fluffy. Maybe on the next video, I'll get a chance to show you my fluffy puppy, because at the moment, she's just a wet puppy. All right. Yes, you can go back to sleep. Let's go back to our grammar book. So we are working on rule number 4. So this will be mainly a review, I think. I'm not thinking that you're going to find this tricky, but if you are at all, just remember that you can come back to this page. Okay, so a noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. Sometimes we have to watch out for the idea, okay? A common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. So for instance, a relative, a country, a boat, or it can be the idea. So freedom is an idea, okay? A proper noun, okay, names a specific person, place, thing, or an idea. And a proper noun begins with a capital letter, okay? So we've got Uncle Elton. So Uncle Elton's a relative. Relative does not have a capital, but Uncle Elton is his name, so we capitalise Uncle and Elton. Then we've got a country, okay, so we've got New Zealand. 2 words, both get capitals, okay, and then we've got a thing here, which is Bill of Rights, all right, so this is capital for B, capital for R. All right, and then with our nouns, we also have, with our common nouns, we have singular nouns. They name one person, place, thing, or idea. Runner, city, bear, happiness, okay? Plural nouns name more than one thing. Workers, schools, horses, okay? So I don't think there's anything in there that's tricky to understand. Where it gets tricky for you, and I'm seeing this in your writing, is to actually remember that capital letters are important, okay? And to be sure that you are adding capital letters for proper nouns. Okay, let's check your pages. Okay, always good to read instructions. Okay, so we're on page 16. Okay. Decide whether each of the nouns below is a proper or common, okay, is proper or common, sorry, and plural or singular, okay, circle your responses. So women, proper or common, plural or singular, all right, so take your learning from this page and apply it into here. All right, when we're coming to the next page, write all the proper nouns from the sentences. Remember to capitalise each proper noun. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to say that you don't have to write them out, but I would like you to underline them and then make sure you put in the capitals. Okay, so you'd be underlining Doris, you'd be underlining Cooksey, and because Cooksey is her last name, you'd be putting a capital C there. Okay, all right, works for the American Family Insurance Company. Be careful because this is the name of the company, and because it's the name of the company, then you know what to do to these. So underline, put in capitals. Work through this page. And then when you come to this page, locate the nouns. It says underline all the nouns in the sentences below, okay? Then rewrite the proper nouns on the lines. All right, be sure to capitalise the proper nouns. Some sentences may contain no proper nouns. So in this one, if it already has a capital and it's a proper noun like Tobias, underline it. Where it comes to this with Nolan, write that out below and give it a capital. Okay, listens to the oldies. Well, oldies is a common noun, so just underline it. Okay, so underline the nouns, put in the capital, write out the capitals for the one underneath. Okay, so work through those pages. All right, when you're finished, this is important. This is part of your grade. I want you to go back. Okay, not go back. Go on to the second video. All right, and then this is where you'll go back. You will watch my video and you will check your work.